Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back again for another trading session. This morning was ugly. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely terrible. You know what? Just because that happened doesn't change that this is a new session. It is new, we come with a new mindset. It is fresh. And yeah, that is new. That is new. So, what's new now is that we got to get into my account actually. Hold on. I would not even logged in. Let me get back in. Let me get back in. Hold on, y'all. Be a little bit patient here with me. We got the market open in about a few minutes. This one of these, two of them should be okay. So we have how many soldiers left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 soldiers left. We lost 2. Ripped to the first main account, 51. PA Apex 51. That was the one that got me to 4 payouts. You've done well, Mr. 51. May you rip in peace. Rest in peace. Rip in peace. Either way, kind of crazy. We are approaching all-time highs. The market said psych about coming down and just went right back on another bullish day. Absolutely insane. I mean, all-time highs is not too far now. We are, I think, 7. What is that? So about 26,730 is going to be the high. We're right there. Bulls might be aggressive tomorrow. It's going to be Friday, so... Oh man, are we going to end just full on green, 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 green? Insane. I think everybody was expecting for the market to tank because of the war, but it actually did the opposite. Also, before we start, this stream is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Do not copy any of my trades. This is just AI. I'm not even real. So yeah, don't even copy my trades. Let's make sure my brackets are set correctly. I also did a no as well. Well, I wouldn't say no. I went back into the market today to trade at some of these accounts after I gathered myself. So yeah, keep saying that I need to be smart, and I keep not doing it. Honestly, I have nobody else to blame but myself. It's not the market maker's fault. It's not anybody but mine. Got about 20 seconds here. So market open, sorry y'all. 15 seconds. Let's check to see what kind of news we have tomorrow. We don't have any news today either, so markets have been pretty slow. There we go. We are open for business. Come on, load, you piece of dirt. There we go. Yeah, no news tomorrow. Another day of no news. So, will the bulls continue to get the rally tomorrow? Is the ultimate question here. Let's see. Let's go check what happened last night. So 17. We opened up. We just shot up. So are the bears going to take control? We'll see how this candle wants to play out. If we close down here, it could be a good chance for the bears to kind of get a little bit of a rally in. Got a little bit of a gap. My VWAP's blocking it. I'm not going to get rid of it because if I do, it will never ever show up again unless I pay for it. And I'm not trying to pay for my VWAP, okay? I like things when it's free, okay? Doesn't mean you don't be on, grateful for it. I just like it when it's free. Ugh, not much movement. Like 15 points. Looks like the Bears might want to hold up here for a bit. Flip it green. The bull's going to try to push through. I mean, we could just hit all-time highs tonight. You know, that could be something that could happen, right? Put that in the picture. There we go. Little gap was filled. Crazy, though, that we're just literally going straight back up to all-time highs. I figured we would chop down here for a bit and we wouldn't see all-time highs again this soon, but that's trading for y'all. That is trading. Sometimes, actually it's never sometimes, it's every time. The market never goes the way you want it to. I'm going to be trading my funded account tonight, so just kind of wait to see what we get here. Notice too, I've been trading really bad on stream, so I don't know, because off stream I'm trading a little bit better, a lot better. So I mean, that's just an excuse, right? But sometimes the pressure can be there to put in a trade when you are streaming. You say, yeah, easier said than done, but I mean, you're right. It is easy. You just need to do it, right? Stop being a little girl. There we go. We're gonna just continue getting this move up. I mean, do I just close my eyes and go long? Is that the name of the game? I mean, break 72. Maybe they try to attack 80s. Kind of move up to this candle right here. There we go. They're going for it. Checking out the ask as well. 71, 70. Holding resistance here. They're trying for it. They're going for that 72 break. Question is, what will happen after we break 72? Will we continue just moving up? Or do the bears get a relief? Let's see. Because I would need to go 60 to get that. '70s holding resistance. Will the bulls break through? If they keep showing resistance here, I might take a short up here. New 5 minute. Trying to break 70s. Will they get it? I'm gonna take this short. Hold the resistance. I want to see them. That 70 hold resistance. They might pop back above 72 for a quick little fake out, but I want to see the bears, see if they can drive through here, bring it back down to earth. Moving very slow, so we might be sitting here for a bit, folks. So grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, because we're about to watch paint dry right here. About to watch this paint dry. Oh, well, never mind. We are not watching paint dry. Oh, shoot. Looks like I was right with my first call out. The market just going straight up. Here we go. Get some spikes. What a violent move. The bulls are back in town. Or was this just a fake out? 70 held resistance there for a bit. Kind of crazy if you ask me. He is still kind of moving up too. I don't know why, but I just don't believe in this bull rally. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. Just not feeling the bulls. Strong move up. Let's get a strong move back down. Either way, this will be the only count that we're trading for tonight. It is a funded account. Just so y'all are aware, this ain't no eval. Which I do need to pass some more eval, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Let's see if this was just a ploy by the bulls. Get them salivating. Although, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we went to all-time highs tonight too, though. Sometimes that's happened, where we just have been rallying, so it could be possible. Anything is possible, right, folks? Anything is possible. ES hasn't quite broken out of its range yet. Nasdaq has though, but. Oh, hold on, yo. I gotta change my battery pack. Hold on. Hold on. I'm still here. I'm just gonna deactivate my camera. Get a new battery pack. This one's about to die out. Make sure I charge it too. Alright, we're back. Thing keeps dying out on me. Battery packs on these things do not last that long. Then again, I am streaming too, so don't think that's helping it either. But it's alright. It's alright. There we go. See if we can get the bears to step through here and just fall on through. Okay, finally starting to get some movement, getting some volatility, get a little bit of a spike, getting just a little bit of the spikes. Oh, not looking good for this trade. Looks like the bulls are winning. ES just broke through out of the range to the upside. What's happening here? The bulls won it. See if the bears can hold him down. COP, hold it down. Roll it down. Need them to break under 74 and just start caving. There we go, there we go. Quick little sell back down to 74. He is trying to get that pump back up too. Here's what I want to do. I want to break out, close out at break even, but I feel that as soon as I close out at break even, it's going to go the way I want it to. But if I don't, it's going to go up. So at this point, I'm kind of in a tough predicament. Do I close out this trade? Or do I just hold? Have faith in my setup that it's going to break. Because if we can break below to 70, I mean, we can get this pushed back down to 68, 66. So depending on how strong the bears want to come in. So that's why I'm holding on this trade. As much as my body is screaming, get out, I'm just going to hold on to this. And if I take a loss, so be it. I want to have a little bit more faith in this setup. Because this is the one where if I get out, it's going to just drop. Immediately to my take profit. We're talking like just a quick spike, one shot, all the way down. So I'm trying to hold my best to hold on to my nerves. Even though this trade is screaming against me, everything is pointing to the upside. Bullish, bullish. Bull flag pattern. We're going to hold on, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to hold. If I take this loss, I take this loss. But what I don't want to do is get out and it just comes down. That's probably worse. I mean, taking a break even trade isn't bad. Would rather see this dump now rather than hold up here. You know? There we go. Can we get this break of 74 finally? Just flush it back down to this range. The bid's holding up 75. I mean, 74 is holding us up. The bulls are trying their best right now to hold 74. They don't want it below this. They're doing everything in their power right now to hold it up. Looking at the bid, can we get this to 74? Get 74 to show up for a brief second. Put some faith into the bears. There we go, 74.25. I'm gonna move this to break even at this point. I want to see this either flush down right now. Right here, right now. There we go. Broke 74 briefly. We have 73 on the bid. Can we continue this flush? Can the bears come straight through and just break it down 15 seconds until we get the new 3-minute candle? There we go. I don't want to see it come back up. Let's close down here and just continue falling like a knife. This next candle that's opening up is a little bit worrisome. I would imagine there's a lot of bulls going long right now, trying to play out this VWAP bounce, trying to take it back to the highs. Can the bears come through? Break it below 70. ES is bouncing back up. Not a fan of it. Looks like it's coming for my break even. Let's go. Keep selling, NASDAQ. Break it below 72. Let's flush down to 68s. Bid is at 73. Can we get 72 back on the board? I'm saying we, like I can do anything. This is not even a live account. It's funded, but it's not a live account. Just for my viewers out there. So when I say if we can get it down, I can't do anything, all right? Just got to make that very, very clear. There we go. We saw 72 for a brief moment there. Can we get 72? There we go. 72's back. Can 71 show up on the board? That would be even more beautiful. 72, 50. Can we get 71? I'm not seeing 72.25. There we go, 71. I'm gonna take that right there. This is where it's gonna come up. So we're up 70 cents. Yeah! Look at that, folks. We made money. I'm the richest guy alive. 70 cents? Y'all can suck it. Oh, there we go. I knew it was gonna do this at some point. I knew it was gonna pull back up. I'm glad I held there, but this is a candle that would have came. It's to stop me at break even. Then it would have just continued flushing. I guarantee it. That's what would have happened. Because look at that. It came to 78. Or yeah, 78. Here come the Bulls. Are they gonna? Are we gonna see all-time highs tonight, ladies and gentlemen? Oh boy. We made 70 cents. We went through all that pain for 70 cents, but hey, it may not seem like much, but it's honest work. That 70 cents could be the difference between making money or not making money. Oh yeah. Oof. See, right now, technically, the right move would be to go long, right? Because it looks like it's breaking out. It's just going to continue going up. We're going to go see 26,500, but that seems almost too good. It's just a little bit too good to be true. And when things are too good to be true, sometimes it might really be too good to be true. So, yeah. Again, coming back to the zone, just holding out here. We are just watching paint dry at this point. '80s holding hard resistance. Not getting much movement, but well, I think that's probably where I call it then. I mean, there's no point in sitting here just fighting for 10 painstakingly long points. This was good. I was just in the wrong direction, such as it is. So if you are here after the fact, do not forget to subscribe. We're doing a giveaway. I'm just gonna put it there. We'll say that much. We'll figure it out. It might be cash giveaways, might be account giveaways. We'll figure out once we get there. But if you tuned in, appreciate you tuning in. I will see you tomorrow.